These are Workzone HSS metal drill bits. These are available at Aldi for approximately £7 a set. These have actually been given to me by a mate of mine, Wayne Burgess, so I do have to thank him for getting me these. I'm actually going to test these out and we're going to see if they're any good. Normally cheap drill bits are not good, so I really wouldn't advise buying cheap drill bits normally, because normally they don't work all that well and they can make your job a lot more difficult. Some of them are actually downright dangerous. I've actually used some HSS drill bits in the past and I was actually drilling with them and the drill bit actually snagged, and if I hadn't had my safety glasses on it would probably have lodged in my eye. So I do not recommend buying cheap drill bits normally, but these do seem to be the exception. So I'm going to try these out on some mild steel. If they work well on the mild steel, I'll also try them out on some stainless steel and we'll see just how good these bits are. And like I said, these are about £7 a set. I think they are £6.99 in Aldi. I'm going to start off with this piece of 5mm thick mild steel. I'm just going to centre punch a mark on there. That will ensure that the drill bit starts without slipping. This is the 5mm bit, so I'm just going to put a bit of cutting paste on the end there. And then we'll see how long it takes to drill a hole through this 5mm thick steel. And I have to say that was pretty quick. It went through there absolutely no problem at all. And I'll try something a little bit tougher. We're now going to try the 8mm thick stainless steel. I've just put the drill on the low speed because stainless steel is a bit of a pain to drill. It can work hard. Put a bit more paste on. I have to say that they are quite good for the money. I would not have expected a £7 set of drill bits to be able to go through some 8mm stainless steel so easily. I'm just going to try drilling something a little bit thicker, just some mild steel. And again, it's drilled that hole absolutely no problem at all. I'll just show you the actual tips of them, and then if you buy some of these you ensure that you get the correct set. I'm now going to try the 3mm drill bit. I'll try that on some stainless steel and we'll see how that goes through the stainless. I should point out that this is 316 stainless steel. 316 stainless is non-magnetic. It's very difficult to cut and very difficult to drill.
So even the 3mm drill bit works extremely well, even on tough T16 stainless steel like that. So at £6.99 for a set, you really can't grumble at that price. They do a fantastic job of drilling mild steel and stainless steel. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I'd also like to thank Wayne Burgess for dropping these off. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel.